Hello friends, welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is how to calculate sales revenue from price and quantity information of multiple products. As you can see in the screen, here I have a sales report where there is product name in the column B, the MRP or maximum retail price in the column C. From column D to I, there is month-wise sales quantities. From this report, here in this row number 1, I need to calculate the sales revenue for every single month. In this case, I can use a function in Excel, that is the sum product function. So here in this first cell, let me press equal to, then type the sum product function. Open bracket. In the array 1 of sum product, select the MRP range. After selecting, we need to lock this range because when we copy the same formula for other months, this MRP range should remain constant. For this, press the F4 key in the keyboard that applies the dollar symbol before the column name and row number. Now put a comma. In the array 2, select the quantity range of January month. Then close bracket, press enter. This is the total sales revenue for the month of January. This is calculated by multiplying every single quantity with MRP, then adding the result of all the multiplications. Now you can simply drag this formula till the month of June. So this is all about calculating the sales revenue from price and quantity information of multiple products. If you want to practice this formula, you can download this workbook from the link given in the video description section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button and also subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.